moving on with our character, you can see I added a little more, and it's actually pretty weird and scary, but that's okay. It's fun to draw weird and scary things sometimes. So I want to turn this single drawing into an animation. The way that I'm going to do that is by hovering over the first frame and clicking on duplicate this frame. Now I have two that are exactly the same, so you don't see any motion over here yet. I'm going to change the way the eyes look. I'm going to use the scrolling wheel on my mouse to zoom in and out, and then you see a box up here, and I can use this to navigate. Okay, let's change the eyes. I want to use this white color, so I will press O for the color picker, then B for the paint bucket, and fill the eyes in. Now you can see it's flashing because the second frame is different than the first now. I want to see where the eyes are in the first frame though, and that's when I'm going to use onion skin. So now we can see if I want to change them a little bit where they started. So I will press C to get a circle, and then here's a handy dandy one I just found out. You can press the numbers here to pick this color. So if I press 1, yep, I can use this color now. All right, let's make a circle a little bit bigger. That looks good. A circle a little bit bigger, and then press B to fill it with a paint bucket. And there we go. You can see the eyes are kind of growing, or the pupils are kind of growing here. Now I will duplicate this frame and do something similar. Circle tool, C, a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger, B, fill, and fill. And I'm going to zoom in again to get these last few errant pixels that did not get selected. All right, so we can see that this is, with 3 frames of animation, how much you can get done here. I'm asking for 7. So you should be able to do something like get this eye to fill up pretty big and then shrink back down so that it loops nicely. And then there's some other options too. You could have their nose twitch or the mouth open or move side to side. I'm just going to keep going with the eyes for now. I can go back and add something else later if I need to. Duplicate the frame, zoom in, make the circle even bigger. Now if I go down here, that's fine. I'm just going to use the pen to cover over this black line. Keyboard shortcuts again. X to switch these colors, and then P for pen, change the size, cover over that, and then fill in. O, color picker, B, bucket. So hopefully you can see here, when you learn the keyboard shortcuts, you can get really fast, and that helps what can otherwise be a tedious process. Is that big enough? Sure. B, fill. Okay, great. I'm going to add one more frame. Are there any other tools I want to show you right now? I don't think so. All right, have fun. Keep going on your own.